You will be amazed by this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated rear seat, satellite radio, keyless start, wood grain interior trim. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.